Oh, so calming. Oh.
Vina melange. Is that sausage? Is there a sausage involved? I don't remember loading sausage into this machine. You know, it's like I inadvertently put a tin of spam in there. 2 hot dogs. Bonk. No, it's good. It's smaller than I imagined. No, you can make a joke about shredding. I'm not going to do that.
I've set myself on fire.
Because that's just weird. I keep my one tea bag in this giant drawer.
This whole surface here is made from an entire chapel in Italy. What they do, they get the chapel and they crush the whole thing down. No, what I love about this.
And that's jazz.
Perfect.
That's a wrap.
There you go.